Hi, I'm Greg, your car angel. I just want to make a brief video here about why it's important to keep your engine bay clean. One, mechanics prefer to work on a clean engine for obvious reasons. And two, when you go to sell your vehicle, if the engine is dirty, the assumption is that you did not take care of it. As an example, I just want to show you an engine bay that has been left neglected of cleaning. Obviously, this is a very dirty engine, and when somebody works on this vehicle, you know, it's like this is the desk that they're working at, and you would never like to have a desk this dirty in front of you, but that's what the mechanic is going to have to work with. But in the case of selling the car, you can just see that this is just unbelievably dirty, and of course someone's going to assume that you did not take care of the car, even though you did. It just looks dirty. And you get the added benefit by opening up your hood to see if there might be something wrong. An oil leak, coolant leak, rodents living in your engine bay, who knows? It's always a good idea to open up your hood and see what's going on. So this is that same engine after it's been cleaned, and you can just see how big of a difference it makes in presenting this to either a mechanic or to someone who perhaps wants to buy the car. It's just a completely different feel. And just as I'm doing this video, I just want to show you the sun just came out after having lots and lots of rain, and lo and behold, we have a beautiful rainbow, and this is just outside my front door. These are orange groves, and that's a beautiful rainbow. Just check that out. Thanks for watching.